Where do you live? I live in Nishin City. Where is city? It is in Aichi Prefecture. Is Nishin City a beautiful city? It's a really beautiful city. Is it more beautiful than Kyoto? Of course it is. Wow, you really love Nishin City, don't you? Yes, I do. It's the best city in Japan, maybe in the world. What is Nishin City famous for? There is Nishin Castle and Maspero. Do you have famous food? Cup noodles are yummy. Aren't those Nissin cup noodles? Okay, let's change the topic. Lovely weather today, isn't it? Is famous for example, Nagoya is famous for hitsumabushi. France is famous for the Eiffel Tower. My question to you, what is your place famous for? Okay, that was exercise 1. Now let's go to exercise 2. Jiko Shokai, self-introduction. Well, let's start with me, because over the next coming few months, every 2 weeks, you'll see my face on your screen. Well, at least if you follow my channel. And it's nice to know who you're talking to, actually who you're listening to. Well, you're listening to moi. Well, my name is Serge. Nice to meet you. Serge is, of course, the katakana pronunciation. The real pronunciation is Serge. But, Serge, it's very close. 結構近いです。もうカタカナよ。頑張りました。できた。素晴らしい。I'm from the Netherlands. The Netherlands, オランダ。そうです。オランダ人。珍しいよ。Why is it called the Netherlands? Or Holland, as some people call it? Well, nether means low. Lands means land, 土地。そう、低い土地。ね。そう、時々ね、オランダで例えばね、運転したら、左見たら、船じゃあ、船が別にそんな珍しくないけど、その船は車より高い。船 Boat. Why is the boat so high? It's weird. It's crazy. No, it's not weird. It's not crazy. It's the Dutch way. I live in Nishin City in Aichi Prefecture, near Nagoya. Actually, it's a suburb of Nagoya. Well, you know, people who know me, they know I love Nagoya. I mean, it's not the most exciting city in Japan. Not at all. Of course, Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto, much nicer. But to live, Nagoya, number 1. Plus, it's got the best food in Japan. My favorite sport is soccer, or football in British English. I used to present a soccer TV program on Japanese TV here in Aichiken for the Himawari network. It's a soccer program about Grampus 8. It was called Grampus Stadium. And it's a supporters channel. It was really good fun. I could go to all the games. I could watch the players from nearby. I could talk to the players. I could meet the supporters. Great times. But, you know, everything has to come to an end. So I took a next step. But I love soccer. And especially I love Grampus 8. And of course Messi. and Amsterdam Ajax. Oh yeah! Okay, we reached part 3, listening and reading. Okay, I'm going to read the text. While I'm reading the text, you cover the text. You don't look at it. Now, second time, I read it one more time. I'm not actually reading it one more time, so please play back. Yeah? And this time, you read it. The third time, you read it by yourself. You're not in a hurry. Just take it slow. Okay? Let's go. Well, I'm gonna need my reading glasses for this because even though I'm still young, I need my reading glasses. Yeah? 老眼になりました. Oh my god. Try to sleep. Norma went to bed. It was 11 o'clock. She turned out the light. She was in bed. It was dark. It was quiet. She couldn't sleep. She closed her eyes. She tried to sleep, but she couldn't. She turned the light back on. She opened her book. She started to read her book. It was a good book. She read one page. Then she read another page. After a while, she felt sleepy. She closed the book. She turned out the light. She closed her eyes. She went straight to sleep. じゃあ皆様、ダイエットしたことありますか？やだでしょう。じゃあもしかしたらやってみて失敗しましたでしょう。それは英語でね。I tried to diet, but I failed. そうですね。ダイエットするもね、動詞です。So, I tried to diet, but I failed. でも、もしかしたら成功したら、if you succeed, the sentence becomes, I tried to diet, and I succeeded. めちゃめちゃ便利でしょ、この言葉は。ぜひ使ってください。じゃあ皆様、これで終わりです。I hope you enjoyed today's class. I hope you learned something. And I'm going to finish with a very small quiz. It's a quiz for the simple present tense. It's 3 questions. Well, if you want to have the whole quiz and if you want to read the text while you're studying, please go to www.funcompany.info. Here, you can download the text for absolutely free. 皆さん、ただでテキストがダウンロードができる。申し込み何もしなくてもいい。これは毎2週間、僕は新しいチャンネル、この新しいプログラム出すで、その時はもう新しいテキストもアップロードします。ダウンロードして、で、一つだけお願いがあれば、ちょっとこのチャンネルを like してください。それだけ。それ以外は何もしなくてもいい。もう、please enjoy studying and have a great time. Thank you very much. Cheers, baby. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye bye. Cheers. Yeah.